Hello friends. Welcome to Let's Data Out. My name is Nick. And I am going to tell you something interesting. What are the environmental impacts of food and agriculture? The visualization here shows a summary of some of the main global impacts. First, food accounts for over a quarter, 26%, of global greenhouse gas emissions. Second, half of the world's habitable, ice and desert-free, land is used for agriculture. Third, 70% of global freshwater withdrawals are used for agriculture. Fourth, 78% of global ocean and freshwater eutrophication, the pollution of waterways with nutrient-rich pollutants, is caused by agriculture. Fifth, 94% of mammal biomass, excluding humans, is livestock. In this video, we are going to talk about land usage. Do you know, half of the world's habitable land is used for agriculture? For much of human history, most of the world's land was wilderness, forests, grasslands and shrubbery dominated its landscapes. Over the last few centuries, this has changed dramatically. Wild habitats have been squeezed out by turning it into agricultural land. If we rewind 1,000 years, it is estimated that only 4 million square kilometers, less than 4% of the world's ice-free and non-barren land area was used for farming. In the visualization we see the breakdown of global land area today. 10% of the world is covered by glaciers, and a further 19% is barren land, deserts, dry salt flats, beaches, sand dunes, and exposed rocks. This leaves what we call habitable land. Half of all habitable land is used for agriculture. This leaves only 37% for forests, 11% as shrubs and grasslands, 1% as freshwater coverage, and the remaining 1%, a much smaller share than many suspect, is built-up urban area which includes cities, towns, villages, roads and other human infrastructure. With solutions from both consumers and producers, we have an important opportunity to restore some of this farmland back to forests and natural habitats. How do the land footprint of different food products compare? Which foods used the most and least land in their production? We can look at these comparisons based on mass, the land used to produce 1 kilogram of food product. But it's also important to look at these comparisons in terms of nutritional units. This gives a measure of how low or high impact different foods are in supplying protein or energy/calories. In the visualizations here we show the land footprint of foods. Pause the video and check them out.